is all marine grade steel, which means it doesn't rust. The timber is all hardwood, in this case it's a bit of cedar. The glass is all triple glazed and set in these aluminium frames. But the best bit of all is the render system that is used, this silicon base, which means that the water hits it and runs off it quite literally like water off a duck's back. Taking your time to read the material for these options and can certainly add value to it. Here's my guide to maximizing your space. If you can go open plan, since 2004, 6 million people have removed at least one wall in their quest for larger spaces, including many of our 2008 contenders, like the 1950s villa from Heat 3 and the designer bungalow. The benefits of open plan include improved layout, extra light and a more social environment. I love informal kitchen diners such as in the Woodland House, and in the last 5 years, 3 million of us have ditched our dining rooms in order to get this look. Creating a flexible cooking-eating space means that losing a dining room won't affect the value of your home. In fact, it should make it more desirable. Another way to get